Some recipes are about elegance, others about survival. This one is about both. Let's make sheet pan shrimp fajita, bold, colorful, and weeknight friendly. The kind of dinner that fills the kitchen with spice and the table with smiles. Welcome to Lay's Kitchen. I started with mixing dry seasoning. In a wide mouthed mason jar, add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Close the jar and shake it. Season the shrimp next. I used peeled, deveined shrimp, so just need to wash and pat dry the shrimp. Toss them in a bowl with half of the spice mix. And a drizzle of olive oil. Let them marinate while we prepare everything else. They only need a short soak to pick up all the flavor. Slice up bell peppers and onions. I like a mix of red, yellow, and orange for that sunset on a pan effect. Add them to a large sheet pan with the rest of the seasoning and a generous pour of olive oil. Toss everything until mixed well and spread into one even layer. No overlap. Give them room to roast, not steam. Prep the garnishes. Chop some fresh cilantro. Dice up a little onion. And slice a lime into wedges. Grate a couple medium cheddar because even fast dinners deserve a little flair. Bake the veggies and shrimp. Set your oven to 425 Fahrenheit and roast the veggies in the center rack for about 20 to 25 minutes. Work until they are soft, sweet, and golden around the edges. Then add the shrimp. Nestle them right on top of the roasted veggies. And let them cook for 5 minutes on one side. Flip them gently. I give them another 4 to 5 minutes, just until they are curled and blushed with color. The time will depend on the size of the shrimp. Time to assemble and serve. Warm your tortilla in the microwave. 20 to 25 seconds is plenty. Layer in those juicy shrimp, tender peppers, and top with diced onion, fresh cilantro, a little salsa, or your choice of hot sauce, shredded cheddar, and a squeeze of lime. Wrap it up. Slice it in half. and garnish with chopped cilantro, a lime wedge, and a clean plate. That's it. One pan, big flavor, and not a single skillet to wash. Thanks for cooking with me. I'll see you next time at Lay's Kitchen, where the flavor is bold, cleanup is easy. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.